Welcome or welcome back to our Line Fan Channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Okay, Volkswagen id.7 electric spotted in Germany without camouflage. This kind of reminds me of the Volkswagen Jetta with the tail lights. Anyway, Volkswagen is preparing to officially launch production VW id.7 in the next few months, so it comes as no surprise that the first undisguised units are being spotted on the streets. The vehicle is going through the final stages of testing, and today we have a sneak peek at what to expect when it eventually goes on sale. We only have a single photo of the car, but put together with the official photos Volkswagen released during the launch, we can get a pretty good idea of what to expect. The car in the photos has the center part of the rear light assembly taped over, which makes it look like two separated light clusters. The tape either hides the shape of the taillights or hides an entire light bar running across for full width of the car. Rear corner windows are taped up as well, trying to hide the actual shape. In reality, though, we can see the bottom of the window follows the line of the car, and if Volkswagen ever decides to paint the roof and pillars black, it will make for one heck of a visual effect. Will we see the tour version of VW id.7? The VW id.7 will be unveiled from form later this year, and China will be the first country to get an electric sedan. The US and Europe will be next, with the first delivery expected in 2024. While the exterior is fairly conservative, Volkswagen went adventurous with the interior design. It will still be an unmistakable VW, but there's a new 15-inch taking a central position, while the instrument cluster will be less prominent and evident into the dash, and a new heads-up display will take over with augmented reality for a complete new experience. I don't really like that, but whatever. id.7 sports a new and vast improved interior. That's good to know. There's no word if we will ever see a wagon version of the id.7. The Tourer has been teased before, and it has been introduced as a concept car, but VW refused to talk about it. VW id.7 will be a huge improvement over the current electric vehicles from Whispered, and it will feature a lot of new and improved technology with clever aircon among the knobs. Most importantly, through the temperature slides will be illuminated. Okay. I like the interior of it, and I don't know. I'm not really an electric person, but that's pretty much where Volkswagen's going with all of its lineup. Okay, if you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and have a good one.